Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Flipgrid to Canvas. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The first thing that you'll need is your own Flipgrid and Canvas account as an educator. Go and open up a web browser first. After you open up a web browser, type in www.instructure.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this page. Now go and log into the account by clicking on the login link at the top right corner and click on the Canvas option. Now enter your email address and your password in the text boxes that you can see on the display. Let me quickly enter my email. You can do the same and type in the password on the next text box, and finally after you're done, click on the login button. If you don't have a Canvas account, then you should get one first. Now once you're logged in, go and click on Courses option at the left hand side menu. Select your course and from this page, click on the Settings button at the bottom. Go to Apps at the top of the screen. In the search box where it says Filter by Name, type in Flipgrid. Soon after you do that, click on the icon that has been displayed on the screen for Flipgrid and click on Add App. Now in order to find the consumer key and your shared key, you'll need to go open a new tab and log into your Flipgrid account. And soon after you do that, click on Profile. Go to the Integrations tab from your profile and tap on Add New Integration under Canvas. Now you'll need to add a new integration for your Canvas. For example, you can type in Canvas 1 and click on Create. Now at the bottom of the screen where you've created your Canvas screen, you'll be able to see your consumer key and your shared secret in the text boxes. First, let me copy the consumer key, go back to the Canvas page and type in the consumer key or paste it in the text box. Similarly, go find your shared secret and copy it by clicking on Copy Link and come back to this page and paste it inside the shared secret. Click on Add App from the pop-up and you'll be able to add the app successfully. Don't worry, you'll only need to do this once per course, and that is how you can easily add Flipgrid to Canvas. Once the two platforms have been connected, it will be easier for educators to share Flipgrid directly to their Canvas student as well. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.